Hello, good morning everyone. So today we're going to study the basic Python and we're going to see the data type. What are the data type we have? Before that, let's the some exercise study last class. So what is the exercise everyone you have to do? So we have studied the seven operators. So we saw the plus and then minus, sorry, subtraction, addition, subtraction, then multiplication, then we have division, then we saw the module, the fifth one, and then we have square root. After that we saw what is the last one? Anything else we saw? Is 5 6. Okay, and we saw the booleans 2 and 4, 2 and false, all the booleans. Okay, now you have to use these operators. Okay, this out of this seven operator, any five operator you have to use. This is the condition. We have to select any number. We should get the result of 100. So our result supposed to be 100 by using of any five operator. Let me give you example. As like I'm going to use Python 3. Okay, so I will do 100 minus 100 plus 100. So I got the result of 100. So I should get the result 100, but instead here I use only the two operator. You have to use any five operator. You got your questions, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Can you quickly do and paste in your chat room that I will,
Okay.
then we will start the data type. You will understand the data type. So we have 2 minutes. Let me also try. I'm going to try it. Okay, then let's do the out.
No, I guess Sagar has joined.
Okay, Sagar, let me repeat the questions. You have to answer the questions. You have to use any five operator to get the result 100. I have given here one example using the two operator. Okay, are you see 100 minus 100 plus 100 equal to 100? I used the two operator and got the 100. You have to use five operator:
Okay.
addition, subtraction, multiplication, any five, and you have to get the result.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so result of 100 you can select any number. Okay,
Okay.
and you have operator also. You can go for the like brackets. I forget to mention that you can use the brackets also. So any five operator what we have studied. So we have studies almost 7 to 8 operators including bracket.
Yeah.
I'm also doing. Let's check it out whether. Okay, I got it. No wrong. Let's try again. Last one. I will get- Have you guys got? Please paste that your result. Okay, Nikhil, thank you. Nikhil has already done. So let me. I'm going to copy and see 100 exact right. Nikhil has done. Naval and Sagar. You can try in Python. He
This
has
is
used
not.
one operators, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so you find a little challenge. Who has done this? Okay, yeah, yeah. He has five. Clinical. Okay, so let me count. Two and one. Level? Anything? Sagar?
Just simple one I'm just trying.
Actually,
Ah, yes, simple.
I was trying module actually, but
Okay, you are
module
trying module.
this percentage is not working actually.
It will work. Let's try with the percentage. Want. So module give you the what you can say. Let's try using the module. So I'm going to take the bracket and then going to use the module 100 module um, with the, with I will take 3, so it will give
Okay,
well if you see
got it. Yeah,
so 1, or if you take 5, not 5, you take better 7, get a bigger number. So 2, and then you can go ahead with 50, 100, then man bracket result
So
so I
and
pinged my answer.
plus 50.
actually, this is nothing just simple like mathematics.
Yes, just I want to get you on, means you should be comfortable with
It's a
that
four
operator,
word.
you understand all the five operator. So how many operator you use? Well, let me check this. Uh,
Mine is four only. Wait, okay.
Test it. So that's why you can use 700. Okay, good. And you are getting 700 as a result. You are getting result of 100. Excellent. But you use 1, 2, and 4 operator. Excellent. Almost
Yeah,
tried. And 50. 1, 2, 3. Three operator you use, but you got the 700. Okay, guys, thank you. Participate. Just I want to see, you supposed to fill the operators how it's working. Okay. However, Nikhil, thank you. Okay, congratulations. Talent. Okay, come to the data type. Now we have to exercise. We understand the. We're going to understand the data type. Let me open. You can use the idle also to use, and or you can go for the cell what we have Linux. So we going. So are you able to see my screen, right?
yes.
Okay, great. So I'm going to get this. the screen here. Going to open notepad and just write it. So have idle cell. We have okay. So we're going to see the data type today. Are you able to see my screen, right? Python test.p. So what are the data type? So we already studied the data type. We have 10 data type, sorry, 8 data type. In that 4 already we studied. So first 4 data types is standard data type, and remaining 4 you will see the which is going to define in Python, and that going to use later on those data types like dictionary we already saw in ANSIBLE, and like list we have data type, we have tuple or tuple, and we have set data type. So first understand the fundamental data type. We have integer data type, then we saw the float, we already saw the example of float, then we saw the string, and have last one anyone string float guys,
boolean.
which
Boolean.
excellent boolean, true and false. So we saw the data type bool. So if you see, if I'm writing int, its a color has changed. The region, these are data type, that's why the data. So first data type, this int, it's showing the integers are what? Integers are, the examples are whole numbers like 0,
Integers.
1, 2, 4, 500. Another number integer 1, 2, 3 are the in top. We're going to do the going to do the test. These are the how is going to do float having decimal number. Just you have to remember to have decimal. Okay, precisions. So we have like 1, 2 dot 4, 3 precisions. So we float. So this type of number string any name with the double quotes or single quotes coming, that's come under string like pam. Pam is ram is a string. Any name with the string. Okay. So or is a operator. That's why then color is boolean. Bool is a type, data type that's come on the bool. Booleans having true false. You can see that error ad. So we saw these examples. Let's see the quickly what going to be. I'm going to check this Python app. Python and the data type. So like I'm going to create the variable. We study the variable. You can give any numbers, any string to the variable. So my just I given my verbs variable. I'm going to find the my variable like anything 1, 2, 4, 5. One number I have defined. So I want to see what type of this variable. So we have to go for type. My variable tab, it automatically pop up. That's helpful. So you can see class in this is now I'm going to Dynamic because my variables are dynamic, so I'm going to take for each type of data type. Like I'm going to define this variable as a float. So I'm 5. Let me do 100, 1000 divided by triple nine. It will be the decimal number. So if I will see my variable, let me see my so so you will see 1 point some decimal number. Now I'm going to see the data type. What are the data type? This plot. Earlier it was int. This is the plot what I have. So that's why the color has changed. Data type. Plot. Same way, I'm going to define my variable as a string. So I'm going to give my name Justus. My name string could be one sentence, could be one word, could be anything under the double quote. Here guys, my name is Ashutosh Marcy. The string, entire string. So it's going to be print to the variable because my variable is changed. If I'm going to check my variable, see my variable. So my variable, my name is Ashutosh Kumar is the variable. Okay. And what is the data type? Take the data type, string data type. Okay.
Okay, so it is always consider the latest one data type. Like suppose dynamically we are changing, first we change the integer, then we change the float. So it is always consider what we assign the latest one.
Yes, that is called dynamic.
Okay.
The variable dynamic, what we study in first class. So always you
Mhm.
understand whatever the latest value of this variable, that going to be the data type going to change according to it. Okay. Now next, if I want boolean, so let me define my data type. Here I want to say that this equal to my variable not equal to, I did not define equal to true. True is not equal to 0 because my variable equal to what? My variable equal to string, that is not equal to 0. That's true. But I just want to see the what is the data type. So I want to define this. Is this going to be captured? It's defined. It's defined equal to some other variable, and I'm going to the variable xyg. So this true value going to having variable this, and I'm going, or you can do my variable, or you can have now your my variable value going to I just two. Let's see the data type. So if I'm going to check the data type of my variable, that going, so booleans having data type. So create this four data type that are the fundamental data.
So Ashubha, last one, how you have done it? Like my variable equals to my variable not equals to zero.
Yeah. Okay. This is how we have done. This is the not equal to is together. Together, it's like operators, means
Okay.
logics operate. Like let example. Good questions. Suppose I want to know the means logics. Here we have two logics, means logics followed by the equal to, and this is equal to, this equal to is different from this equal to. Let me give you example. If I'm going to tell 12 is equal to 13, is it true or false?
It's false.
False.
False, huh?
So false. So first shows that for the logic, second shows that for equal to. So 12 equal to, if I'm going to 12 equal to 12, So this is not equal to, this is entire
True.
logics.
Okay, okay, got
Okay,
it.
so I'm going to, this result is true as I show you that. Okay, and
Yeah.
then that result I define to my variables.
Variable. Okay, okay, got
Okay,
it.
and that variable become the booleans nature. Good exercise, please do this practice, because if you practice that, because this logic is going to be entirely going to the our working, you will see how we're going to later on. Okay, now come to the um, advanced data type. We have next data type. Should I continue or we can continue in next class? Because I, okay, so I'm going to stop here. I'm going to see next four data type. What are those? That's going to be broadly going to use Python. Bye bye. See you.